What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're gonna go over how's that? The glare of the TV out of there. Okay. We're gonna go over our friend Matic. Good enough. Currently, we're sitting at $1.48, up 6.4 on the day. You see market cap of 12.72, baby. 24-hour volume, 1.37 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitkit, this is the main exchange I do my trading, up to 8K in bonuses. Email me your sign-up email or Bybit, up to 30K in bonuses. Check out my full-length tutorials. I'll give you completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. So let's hop into Matic. So we're seeing continuation. We bounced off our wave 4 pullback zone, which was dropped in the Discord. And it looks like we're pushing up in our wave 5. So as of right now, you can count a wave 1, wave 2 pullback. You look to push up in a 3, 4, 5. And your wave 5 target zone is in between $1.52 and $1.56. Now, we have seen some pretty strong buying pressure lately for the price of Matic. So, of course, we could exceed that target zone. But we do have a bearish divergence on the RSI on the 1-hour time frame. As we're pushing higher, we're creating lower highs. The 4-hour as well, we have a bearish divergence on the RSI, so do keep that in mind. On the daily time frame, just absolutely exploding to the upside. We broke through $1.41 resistance. We're still seeing a divergence on the money flow, which means as people are FOMOing into Matic, pushing up their price, the whales are selling their positions, and that's why you see money flowing out. So if we do continue to push up, your next major resistance is all the way up at $1.62. Taking a look at Ethereum, currently we're sitting in our wave 4 pullback zone. It looks like we may have already put in a 1-2. We had a hidden bullish divergence, higher high, lower high in the money flow. As you can see, that already played out. So the bullish scenario is we hold this wave 4 pullback zone and we push up in a wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 to complete the wave 5 of the wave 5. That's what I'm looking for. If we were to break 1639, the wave 4 maximum retracement is the 50% level. Then we'd have to look at this impulse being complete. Personally, I do think we'll see continuation, but we'll have to see how that plays out. Daily time frame, we had a topping tail candle yesterday, which can signify a reversal, as I mentioned, with money flowing out, and we're losing strength. What I think is likely is Ethereum is going to put in a little bit of a higher high. It's going to be a massive bull trap, and then we're going to go A, B, C correction, and fall back to the support of this ascending triangle pattern. That's what I think is the likely scenario. We'll have to see how that plays out as well. All right, gang, so that's it for Matic. Do watch this 4-hour candle. Looks like we have a little bit of a topping tail as well, so we'll see how that candle closes. But our wave 5 target is in between $1.52 and about $1.56, coming up in a 1-2, looking to push up in a 3, 4, 5. We have broken the wave 3 high, so the wave 5 can end at any time, so do keep that in mind. We've already reached the 0.5, but a normal target would be the 0.618 at $1.52. All right, gang, so make sure to sign up to either Bybit or Bitkit. Grab those bonuses. Email me your sign-up email. Completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. Posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto with the 10 USD membership. Early access to my analysis. Trade signals. Currently, we're in 2 open trades right now. Crypto news. Members like to post their profits in here as well, as you can see. And Mahalo all plays all coming in at $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon link. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.